So this is how I get this red package code every morning by searching in this website for free red package code. So I try this code. Some code is work and some other is not. So this is every single morning I search. This is my routine actually to find the best red package code is working. Same. I know this is a little budget, but with the time you can grow your or you find the best and the big budget actually. So this is a work for like basically. So this is a work every single day, and some days I'm very lucky. I find this code with $25. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And don't forget to smash this button for receive all notification of this channel. This is your channel. So let's start. So the first code is GNHG prime BW. I hope can catch $1,000,001 one day. Going to open 3 cents. So the second one is WAGMK 60. Going to clean, open, says 5 cents. So the church one is AFWA9E7X. Open 1 cent. So the first one is 1 oh, click, click XM3 Gaucho cream open in $1 51 A B N 9 V W M 3 clean 1 minute 5 cents. So this 6-1 is A L H B M W 0 100 5 cents. Okay, so the 7-1 is 5 A N 2 K G A. I'm going to open 8 cents. Another one 0 H A Z F M N 3. So don't forget to subscribe and you can share with your friend and for receive all notification. Go to claim open through doors. Okay. Another one is M K K M V X C. Go to claim $1 million one day. Why not? $1.5 K. So another one is 1M3WF70A. Go to claim open house $1.03. I'm going to trade with future actually. This is almost $5, I think. So the last one is 0 A S V A P E going to claim open 7 cents. So this is what I have today. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Actually, have a nice day and